I am Sebastian Conort and I work at BNP Paribas Cardif as a chief data scientist. My team is called Data and Analytics. We work at the head office of Cardiff, which is a very international company based in 30 countries. And the role of my team is to work on the AI strategy for the company. What I'm most proud of is all those building blocks that my teams managed to deliver along the years, having a technological platform where we can really develop and deploy AI projects. So having clear governance of how we actually document what we do, how we validate what we develop, how we productionize it, and how we can offer some guarantee of quality and transparency. I'd like to mention the IT teams of BNP Paribas Cardif because early on they understood our vision regarding AI, the value of AI in the company, and they understood how they could be accelerators and partners to enable this transformation. Today I would say that what differentiates us, that we have a clear alignment and common vision and way of to plan the future with our IT team.